Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's tutorial, we are going to show you on how you can fix YouTube not showing full screen. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now you want to head over to the YouTube application. And once inside, you can just go ahead and select a video that you want to go ahead and put as full screen. In my case, I'll go ahead and select a random video right here, which is this one. And to make this video full screen, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on this button right here, and it should go ahead and make our video full screen. But in case this button does not work, you can go ahead and do another method by switching your phone into landscape mode. To do this, you have to make sure that the screen locked is turned off, which is this one for iPhone devices. And right after turning off the portrait orientation of, you can just go ahead and turn your phone sideways, and it will automatically make that specific video full screen. So, guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.